Do you love both Eastern and Western style makeup? If you do, just like me, you will love Thai style makeup. Thai makeup is definitely having its moment. It's trending all over TikTok and Instagram because it blends both worlds of Eastern and Western style makeup. If you're new to Thai makeup, it's best described as soft glam, so it's perfect for bridal events, special events, or just going out with your friends. Fun fact, I actually did Thai style makeup for my rehearsal dinner prior to my wedding. I'll be recreating this look in today's video, inspired by the famous Thai makeup artist Babara, who is best known for his glass skin makeup. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teresa. I talk all things beauty, and my ultimate goal is to help elevate your makeup game and teach you something fun about makeup. If that sounds good to you, keep watching and like and subscribe for more. Starting with some color corrector. I'm using a peach color corrector since I have a fair skin tone. I'm applying it to where I have the most discoloration, around my nose and around my mouth. I'm going to blend it out with a chubby concealer brush. Next we have foundation. I am applying it with this flat brush. This application technique gives a very smooth and skin-like finish. Then I'm going to blend it out with this damp beauty sponge. Next, concealer. I'm applying concealer to my under eyes, around my nose, and around my mouth for additional coverage and to brighten up those areas. To blend out my base makeup even more, I use a clean brush to smooth and blend everything once over. Going to contour my face with this cream cool contour, applying it to the perimeters of my face, along my cheekbone, my jawline, chin, and then my forehead. Then I'm going to go over all of the contour with the same damp beauty sponge. Next, cream blush and a cream highlighter. I mix the two products together to give a very dewy, glowy finish. I apply it to the center of my cheeks for that pop and flush of color. And then blend and meld everything together with that same damp beauty sponge. I'm going to set the cream blush with this beautiful powder highlighter. I learned this technique from Babara. This helps to achieve that glass skin look. To help tone down some of that shimmer, especially around the T-zone, I'm going to apply a pressed setting powder on my T-zone. I love this one from Tilbury since it has some additional coverage. Moving on to the eyes, I'm mixing 3 shades of pink to achieve this medium shade color, applying it to my eyelids all over in this windshield wiper motion. Then I'm going to take the 2 darkest shades of the palette and apply that to the outer corners of my eyes to deepen and accentuate that. And I'll take the rest and apply it along the eyelid and then bring it up to where my eye socket naturally hits to contour it, and then along my bottom eyelid. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, deepen and accentuate the outer corner, then bring it along the eyelid and then up to the eye socket to contour it and give it dimension, and then finish up on my bottom eyelid. Then I'm going to take a clean brush and just blend it all out. I love this next step. I'm going to take setting spray, spritz it onto my eyeshadow brush, and then take that same powder highlighter from earlier and apply it to the inner corners of my eye on the top. And then I'm going to do the same on the inner corners of my bottom eyelid. This really helps to add some shimmer and make my eyes pop. Then we have mascara. I love this one from Tower 28. It helps to lengthen and volumize my eyelashes. And I really focus on just the tips of my eyelashes so that it doesn't weigh down my eyelashes. I'm going to set everything again with a loose setting powder. I love this one from Fenty Beauty. It has a lavender tint to it, which helps to brighten up my skin. And then it's also very finely milled. And I'm applying this just to my T-zone. Next, going in with a cream contour to contour my nose. I apply it to the tip of my nose, along the top of the bridge of my nose, and I connect it to my eyebrow to give some dimension to my eyes. And then continue to connect it and contour my eyes. Then I'm going to take a clean, dense brush and just blend everything out. Moving on to the eyebrows, I'm going to apply this amazing eyebrow gel from Rare Beauty. This gives a very soft and fluffy eyebrow appearance. To meld everything together, I'm going to apply this Radiant Powder Blush from Kosas to my cheeks, a little bit on my nose, my chin, lips, above the eyebrows, and then my eyes to really harmonize the look. Final stretch with lipstick. I'm going to apply this Tom Ford lipstick with a lipstick blending brush. This helps to diffuse it, and then I'm going to top it off with this beautiful lavender gloss from Dior. Last step, lock it all in with setting spray. And this is the final look. Very beautiful, soft glam. Look at this glass skin. This is gorgeous for any special event, any bridal events, or just going out with your friends. This really does take me back to my rehearsal dinner night. I felt so beautiful, elegant, and radiant. As you can see, this is very wearable. You really can't go wrong with this look. I had a lot of fun recreating this look. If you had fun as well and made it all the way until now, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this and also were inspired or learned something from this video. Please like and subscribe for more, and tune in next week for more fun tips, tricks, and makeup tutorials. I really hope that you took away something from this video. Ultimately, I hope to help elevate your makeup game and make you feel very confident and beautiful with yourself. Love you so much, and I'll see you next week.